Good morning. Today is lesson number 2. Today we're going to learn Python. We're going to look at the variable. We call x equal 5 or 56, whatever. Okay, now now we can say x. It gives you syntax error, so you can tell that the Python is case sensitive. It has to be lowercase. You put uppercase, assign a value, so you have to put uppercase. Lowercase, it doesn't know. So let's say x, you know the value is stored 56. Now, let's say now you take x, which is uppercase, times 232, 0, minus 12 and divide by 56. It gives you that number. Okay, so you know about arithmetic. With parentheses gonna calculate first, division gonna go second, and then this store the value, the result of it, resolve these two, and it take this minus that and give you this amount. Okay, so x is a variable. Is when you assign x to something, it stored a value in there. Now a print statement, you can say print. Remember that the new version of Python version 3, you need to put a parenthesis to print something. Let's say you want to print 2 times 15. Voila, it gives you 30. Okay, easy. The old version you don't need parentheses, but the new version you require parentheses to do that. Now input statement, the same thing. You say input, if accept the value, what, let's say, who are you, right, with a space. Let's say I am Sam. Store the character, a single quote, that's a character. So return the character. So that's the input statement. Let's just say you assign you take the input from the user. Let's say x equal input. Let's say you say x equal, you do that, and you assign x, let's say, to 25. Now you want to look at x. Again, x have a 25 value. Remember that that is a string, okay? That's a character. So let's say you assign a y with an input. Let's say y equal to what number? Let's say assign y equal to 50. Again, you check y you have character 50. Now you want to multiply. Let's say print. That's a command, right? Let's say print x times y. It gives you an error. Is that, oh, sorry, you cannot multiply a character. So you have to convert a character into integer so you can multiply it. So let's just say, let's do that. Let's just say print x. I want convert x character so it become integer times the integer of y, and voila, and let you calculate nicely, and it gives you a number 1250. That's very nice. Now let's say you're going to do another if statement. Again, this is the if statement. Okay, if 1 equal to 32, I want to print it is equal, right? Nope, it's not equal, so it's not printing. Let's say you try again and say 1 equal to 1. Now I'm going to say, I'm going to print I'm going to say it is equal. Yeah, all right. So the double dash is an assignment. I'm sorry, it's a comparison. Okay, you compare from the left one to the right one, and it said, is it equal? Yes, it goes. So you're gonna print the statement say it is equal right there. Okay. Now, another one we can use is called the for loop. Okay, for loop. Let's just you wanna do like this. You know it's gonna fail. Invalid syntax error. So other language it doesn't mind. You can do like this. It will print nicely. But in Python it had to be like this. Okay, it had to be like this. I got to pull line by line. Unfortunately, you can do like this, and voila, it print you like that. So you said for 1 equal in range 10 with a colon, and it asks you for the next statement. You say print I, it's gonna loop, and the next one I equal 5, and then it's it's gonna loop it and gonna print 0, 1, 0, 5, 7, 8, 9, and it stop. Okay, and this is the what is this? This is used for comment. You know, you put this character in here, and you can print. You can write whatever you want in here. So, okay. And the next one we should learn is function. Okay, the function. Let's say you want to say 2 to the power of 4, 16. Okay, or you can use the power function. Let's say 2 to the power of 6 equals 64. And you can use sophisticated expression. You can say 11 times 12 to the power of 2, 3 times 5, or whatever, 54. And then you want to divide that by 15.0. It gives you an error because, let me look at it, I don't have multiplication in there. I'm missing it, so I have to do something like this. 11 times 12 with a parenthesis here. Okay, and then I can use power. Oh, I have to use an add. Let's say I put an add in front of this. Power 2, 3 times 54 divided by 15.0, and voila, it gives you a number. Okay, it doesn't give me an error. Now, another thing you could do is you can create your own what we call a user-defined function. And let's say you want to define. This is the user-defined function, def space. Let's say name. Let's just set. Let's say name. I can say name function, right? And with a parameter, say f name and first name, and then let's just f name, which is first name, with l name, which is called last name, and then with some column. What do you want to do? Well, I want to print the name. I want to say print f name plus with a space and of the last name, right? And that's it. That's the function I define right there. The function is name function. Okay. Now, how you call it? I can call it, let's say name underscore function, and I'm gonna pass the value Michael space Chan, and voila, it give you a Michael space Chan. Okay, this take about 10 minutes, so it's quite a mouthful here, but I hope you learned something today with this programming language. I will see you guys next time on lesson number 3. Bye.